Creating a layout in AutoCAD allows you to prepare and present your drawing in a standardized and organized format for printing or sharing. Here's a concise guide. Open a new layout. In AutoCAD, you work within a Layout tab. To create a new layout, go to the Layout tab in the bottom left corner of the interface. Right-click on it and select New Layout. Set Page Size. In the Page Setup Manager dialog, choose a standard paper size or customize the page size to fit your needs. Set the orientation and apply any additional settings. Viewport creation. To display your drawing, create a viewport within the layout. Go to the Layout tab and select Viewport. Click inside the layout to place the viewport. You can adjust its size and position later. Viewport configuration. Double-click inside the viewport to activate it. Use the zoom and pan commands to frame the part of your drawing you want to display in the layout. Scale and annotation. Set the scale of the viewport using the scale command to control the drawing's size on the printed page. Add annotations, titles, and other information to the layout using text and dimension tools. Layout tabs. You can have multiple layout tabs in a single AutoCAD file. To switch between layouts, click on the desired tab at the bottom of the interface. Save and print. Save your drawing, and when you're ready to print or export it, go to the plot command in the file menu. Configure plot settings, choose the printer or PDF driver, and click OK to print or save the layout.